In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw at WPS Office Mobile. If you want to add custom drawings, annotations, or highlights directly into your documents on your mobile device, WPS Office provides intuitive tools to make this process simple and efficient. Drawing on your mobile device allows you to personalize your documents, emphasize important sections, or create visual notes that make your work more engaging and organized. To start, open the document where you want to create your drawing. Make sure the section you plan to work on is visible on the screen. Once your document is ready, look toward the bottom left corner of the app. You will see an icon that opens additional editing tools. Tap this icon to access the drawing options. In the editing menu, locate the Pen tab and tap it. Make sure the Use Finger option is enabled, which allows you to draw directly on the screen using your finger or a stylus. This feature provides more control and precision for freehand drawing. Next, choose the type of pen you want to use. WPS Office offers different options, including a regular pen and a highlighter. You can adjust the color of the pen to match your desired style or to differentiate between annotations. In addition, you can modify the pen weight to control the thickness of your lines, making it possible to create both bold strokes and fine details. As you begin drawing, take your time to ensure each line or mark appears the way you want. If you make any mistakes while drawing, you can easily correct them using the eraser tool. This flexibility allows you to refine your work without disrupting the rest of your document. With these tools, you can highlight text, create sketches, or add free-form designs anywhere in your document. The drawing tools in WPS Office Mobile make it easy to combine creativity and functionality, allowing you to enhance your documents with visual elements that suit your needs. After completing your drawing, review your work to ensure everything looks clean and professional. You can continue to make adjustments, add new elements, or erase any parts until you are satisfied with the final result. That is how you can create drawings in WPS Office on your mobile device using the pen and highlighter tools. This feature is simple, versatile, and allows you to add a personal touch to your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.